Good morning to everybody. So we completed the exercise 9.1. So before starting exercise 9.2, so we will see about introduction about operations of rational numbers. Okay. So already we learned how to add the two integers, how to add the two fractions. So we can multiply two fraction, we can multiply two integers. Okay, so what are the operations on mathematics? Do you know? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So operations of rational numbers mean what? Addition of two rational numbers, subtraction of two rational numbers, we can multiply two rational numbers and then we can divide two rational numbers. We can divide two rational numbers. It's very simple how we performed fractions the same way in rational numbers. Okay, now suppose if a by b and c by d are any two rational number, if a by b and c by b we will take are any two rational numbers, then a by b plus c by b is nothing but a plus c by b, because these two fractions are like fractions, we are having the same denominator, so we can add the numerator. For example, like 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. So these are the two rational number. It is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. Both the p and q are integers. So here we are having the same denominator. So just we can add the numerator. So 1 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 6 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Are you getting here? If suppose, if the two rational numbers are a by b and c by d, these are the two rational number. What is that? A by b and c by d are the two rational number. Then a by b plus c by d means, here what is the LCM of b and d? bd. So it should be ad plus bc by bd. It's very simple. See, example, suppose these are the two rational number 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Am I right? Now these two fractions are not a like fraction, that is unlike fraction. So by taking LCM we can convert into like fraction. What is LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6 here. LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6 here. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that can be written as 2 by 6. Here we have to multiply by 3. Am I right? So it should be 3 by 6 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 6, which is equal to 3 plus 2 by 6. That means 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Are you getting here? 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. Right. Shall we move to the next one? Here. This is what? Addition of two rational number. Addition of two rational number. Then subtraction of two rational number. Subtraction of two rational number. So already we know that integer, that commutative property is not satisfied under subtraction, because a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Am I right? So here in addition commutative property is satisfied. We know that. Am I right? 1 by 2, suppose 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Which means what? 1 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. Otherwise 4 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That means 4 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. So commutative properties satisfy under addition of two rational numbers. Addition of two rational numbers. Then subtraction. So already we know that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. So commutative properties not satisfy under subtraction of two rational numbers. Okay dear. Now let 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are the two rational numbers. Okay, it is a, you can take it as b, it is b. Now find a minus b. A minus b is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. What is LCM of 2 and 3? 6 here. So here what number should be multiplied by 2? You will get a 6, 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. Here by what number should be multiplied by 3? You will get a 6, 2. So 1, 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1 by 6. Now find b minus a. B minus a means what? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 6. By what number should be multiplied by 3? You will get a 6. 2 here. So 2 minus 3 here. 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1 by 6. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So therefore commutative property is not satisfied under subtraction of two rational numbers. Two rational numbers. Are you getting there? Yes. Then commutative property is satisfied. Already we know that commutative property is what? Satisfied. Okay. So when we are multiplying two or more integers, that order is not an important. Order is not an important. Already we learned that. Now multiplication (8 by 9) into 3. Okay, 3 is also a rational number, right? Because we can write 3 as 3 by 1. Here 1 is not equal to 0. Denominator is not equal to 0. Both 3 and 1 are integers. So 3 is also a rational number. Now 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So it's 8 by 3. Multiply 3 into 8 by 9. Then also you will get the same thing only. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 by 3. So commutative property is satisfied under multiplication of two rational number. Are you getting it here? Yes. Now I will give one more example in multiplication. Okay. Minus 2 by 9 into minus 5. Minus 2 by 9 into minus 5. Minus 2 by 9 into minus 5. That means what? Minus 2 into minus 5 by 9. That means what? Minus to minus is plus, 5 to 10, 10 by 9. 10 by 9. Okay. So 10 by 9 is also a rational number. 10 by 9 is also a rational number. So if you are multiplying minus 5 into minus 2 by 9, then it is minus 5 into minus 2 by 9, which is equal to 10 by 9. So the multiplication of two rational number is always a rational. At the same time, commutative property is satisfied under multiplication of two rational number. Multiplication of two rational number. Then dear, division. If A by B and C by D are two rational number, okay, before that, what is the reciprocal of A by B? Reciprocal of A by B? Yes, B by A. Reciprocal of A by B is what? B by A. A by B is B by A. Reciprocal of 1 is itself. Reciprocal of 1 and minus 1 is itself. Reciprocal of 1 is also 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is also 1. Okay, that reciprocal of 1 and minus 1 is what? Itself. Reciprocal is nothing but just to interchange the numerator and denominator. Interchange the numerator and denominator. Now, come to my point. Division of two rational number. If A by B and C by D are two rational number, if A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers, then A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into reciprocal of B C by D. That means D by C. For example, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. So these can be written as 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. It is nothing but 5 by 6. It's nothing but 5 by 6. Are you getting it here? One more example. Take like minus 3 by 5 divided by minus 15 by, otherwise minus 7 by minus 15. Yeah. How will you write down this one? Minus 3 by 5 into, take the reciprocal of that. That means minus 15 by 7. Am I right? 1 5 is 5. 3 5 are 15. Minus into minus is plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Am I right? So please remember, commutative property is not satisfied under division of two rational number, because A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Are you getting there? Yes. So in exercise 9.2 we are having only 4 questions. Okay. So we will try to finish on or before coming Friday. Okay. That is 27. We will try to finish it off. Are you getting there? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.